Hey guys, Maddie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here on Minecraft. Yes, you haven't seen me in Minecraft in a long time because I'm mostly in Roblox and all. But today I'm here on my, I call it my parrot SMP with only me and my parrot family. So today you'll see an episode. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do episodes on this, but if I do, then here's episode 1. But this is one of my things on my SMP. I've been working on it already, so you guys might want a tour. I haven't done a lot of things. So let me do a little introduction. Here's 3 chests where I have storage, armor, stuff, and protection. I also have my enchanted area, and I also have my bed, and as you saw, there's a parrot on my shoulder. What you doing up there? Huh? What you doing up there, green parrot? Having fun? Just staring at me? What you staring at? Now sit. Yes, I'm treating you like a dog. You know, I'm pretty sure you were supposed to be my sacrifice earlier. But you didn't go like you did. You were a bad boy. Come on, you're my sacrifice again. So can parrots actually go downstairs? Because I haven't got that question answered yet because you literally flew on me. Yes, I'm very mad about that. You made me very worried. No, I don't want that facing me. Okay, I'm trying to make it so you guys could see and I could see what I'm doing at the same time. Okay. Now, Blue Parrot, you're going to be my test subject since you're one of my sacrifices. I swear to God, if I lose another parrot, I'm going to be mad. No! I do not want a flippin' parrot on my shoulder. No. No, sit. Ugh! Yes, parrots could be a big pain in the butt. No! Don't be a big pain in the butt. Parrot? You little sneaky boy. Sit. Good boy. I don't know why I'm treating you like a dog. So, if the comment section works this time, and if I could put a little comment area, please comment down below what names should I name my parrots. And I'll pick any name you guys comment. It could be on any video, actually. Why? Why do you have to be so cursed to do this to your mother? Now, if you will help me and go, move. You want it the hard way, I see. Well, you will get the hard way. No, you get to sit down. No, stand. No. No. Sit. That just made my job very easy. Wow, that's perfect. Thank you. I appreciate you. Whoever gets the top comment, that's going to be the name for my highly talented parrot. Yes, he's very talented and beautiful. And who else wants to come? What color do I not have? So I got the blue one. let's see. Which gray one I want to be? Great sacrifice. 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 You know, the first one in front of me, I'm sacrificing. Come on, let's go. I don't know why I say sacrifice. I just say sacrifice. Well, anyway, I'll be sacrificing these 4 parrots. Yes, I did have 5, but the other one's downstairs. If you're asking why do you have it downstairs when you could just use the upstairs, it's full of parrots. Sorry. So yeah, it's gonna be like a little living room and hangout room for the parrots. If you want to see some of the parrots already, we got a green one, a gray one, a green one, a red, a yellow and blue one, a red, yellow, blue one, a blue, light blue one. I'm just gonna call it by the main color. We got red, blue, light blue, blue, green, light blue, gray. So, like I said I was going to do, I'm going to sacrifice those 4 parrots, and then I doubt I'm going to have any more space left. But even if I want, I'm going to sacrifice these little people. Okay, now I have 2 more sacrifices. And also, if you're wondering, why is my skin like this? Because I don't think you guys seen it before. Yeah, because you haven't. If you watch some of my other Minecraft videos, I made the skin based off of my friends. And I actually forgot that I had it on. So, for the video, you're going to have the skin based off my friend. If you're wondering, hey, what friend are you talking about? I'm talking about my friend Cody. I almost said my Cody. Ew, that kind of sounds gross, but weird. Ah! Okay, now be a good pet. You little monk. What are you staring at? I don't get what everyone's staring at. Yes, I get I'm beautiful, but no. Stop staring at me. Yep. I quit. I quit my job. Bye-bye. I quit the SMP. I'm kidding. Also, if you're wondering, why isn't this in... why isn't it in... Sit! Sorry. You know, you're beautiful, you're going purple. Parrot. Beautiful parrot. So you're going in purple. Bye-bye. Couple down. Parrots more to go. Yeah, parrots. We'll go in the chirp chirp way. If you see what I'm saying. No, cool. No! Sit! Yay, found our way. Sit. Yes. Okay, please tell me that's magenta. So you get the pink, lovely lady. And then you're gonna get another one of your kind next to you because I love you, and you deserve to be my favorite colors, pink and red, of course. So you must go into the pink, my friend. Bye-bye. Okay. I'm going to do this in an easier way. Ready? Yes, I'm going to push you off the edge. Yes, you're looking down on the ground, be like, oh no, I'm going to fall. Bye. Ah! Now sit. Sit, my friend. Why did I? No, I'm not going to question it. I did not mean to do that. Anyways, hello, beautiful people. How you doing? How's your day, morning, night, whatever. If you ask me, I had an amazing day. So, random question. If you have school, how's your day at school? If good, like this video. If not good, subscribe. I'm kidding. You don't have to. I'm just saying this for random reasons. Okay, my friend, since you're close to yellow, you go in yellow. Wait, I'm probably going to have to move you. Maybe not. Maybe so. They need to add more color of parrots. Because I'm kind of annoyed how there's like 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5. One thing I hate is how there's not like an even number. I love even numbers, even though I'm an odd number in my classroom. I know I just spilt some juice about my personal life. Yes, I go to school. But anyways, probably like no. So guys, just to let you know, I'm probably not going to be able to upload on first, second, or third. It's like the second, third, or first and second of November. The reason why is because I have a event coming up, so I'm doing that. And yes, I only 2 left. Just random. Oh, that's great. My 2 more sacrifices. I was going to sacrifice earlier. No. Plop off. That does not help. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. The store's now closed. Please exit the building. Sorry. Sorry if you guys can't see it. I'm trying my best. Also, I don't know if I said this before, but I'm working on that special video since you guys got me to like 11 subscribers, but I'm pretty sure I'm at 10 now. I don't know who's unsubscribed, but whoever did, please subscribe back. You don't have to. I'm just subscribe, or I'm going to get all my parents from my SMP to haunt you for your entire lifetime. And then you'll be haunted forever, and then you're going to have to want to subscribe because you want to undo the curse. I just hit my parent, no! No. Come here. Come here. Yes, my parents still here. Sit. I'm so sorry for hitting you. I am so sorry, my beautiful bird. My beautiful bird. Yes, come on. Go inside your pen. Since you're closest to orange, you get it. And I'm pretty sure you could only go into orange. We don't want to disturb your neighbors. They're pretty cranky in the mornings. Yes, I called you cranky. So, if you think I'm trying to do funny moments, I'm kind of am trying. So, yes, queen. That just sounded weird. Especially in front of my beautiful viewers. Okay, you guys. But what I'm going to be doing is breaking up this wall. FBI, open up. Thank God a parent wasn't under there. So, hello, beautiful people. I just sounded like Preston Plays when he said hello, beautiful people. anyways, I did not try to steal Preston Play's intro. That he usually does. So, I'm running out of things to talk about. So. I've heard that some of you haven't subscribed yet. Go subscribe, please. Because I'll be very sad. If you want to see me sad, then I hate you. I'm kidding. I don't hate my viewers. You guys are beautiful. Lovable. Okay. One thing I gotta say is, who likes I'm thinking of something. Who likes a boy? I know that's pretty weird to ask. I'm just curious because I want to see some juice. I like some juice. And I like it flavored off. Never mind. I'm not doing that. That's actually perfect. So, I want your guys' opinion on rather if I should make another gotcha. You could comment on any video that has a comment section because I gotta find out how to get it back. But in the meantime, please tell me in any video if I should make another gotcha based video. Because if I do, I don't know why I keep making a random noise. But if I do, I need to stop that. It's a habit. Anyways, if I do, then I need to stop. Okay, anyways, as what I was saying, yes, queen. Okay, I need to stop, like literally. 4. So, random question, how old are you, beautiful people? I don't know why I keep saying weird things. Also, if you're wondering, do I have a cameraman? No. Maybe I should. Well, that'll cost money. I don't want to pay money. Plus, the only people I can get to be my cameraman is probably my family. No offense, my family. Where the light meets the shine is the sea. I'm Draco. How far he goes, how far I go. I'm going in the air. See the clouds. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I lost my home. No! No, my parrots! No, I'm gonna cry. Jess is here! I almost actually cried. Oh my god. I'm never doing that ever again. Oh my god. Thank God my stuff is still here. I think it's you guys who subscribed that saved my life. Thank you. Okay, seriously, I might need to put lights down here. Where I meet the shine is the sea. So, what color is after yellow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Green, purple. I need more sacrifices. Who would like to be a sacrifice? You know what? You three. How many colors do I have? 3. Perfect. Well, hello, my 3 sacrifices. No! Sit. Sorry. Now move my parrot. You would go in the green section, yes, since you have green on you. Now go. Go, 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 go. I'm not patient. Okay, I need to get all these parrots placed because I'm going to be so sad if I don't. Okay, so. Yeah, I don't have enough. I thought I had a blue one. No! I would have had something fully accurate. Okay. So, once I end this video, I don't know when, I'm going to work on this overtime. So you might see some changes. I'll show you guys the changes if I do have changes, which I will. So stay tuned. Okay. No! I hate you. I hate. Oh, there. Never mind. I don't hate you. 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 I love you. I mean, that's a parrot buddy. Like, not like actually. You guys will know what I mean, but I don't know if my parrot will. Hey, FBI, open up. We got a new parrot coming in here, so you gotta move out. I have an idea. No! Why do I have to struggle? Sorry if I'm coughing a lot, guys. Okay. Now, beautiful parrots, I'm going to make this accurate. So, my green one, you'll be coming in the green one. My blue one, you'll be going in the blue one, because you're very accurate. Now, go. In. Also, if you wonder, hey, why do you put carpets in? Where the heck do they sleep? It's a bluebird. It's a bluebird. I just realized something. I should make a test to see if you viewers are real viewers or fake viewers. What I mean by the heck is wrong with me? I almost killed my parrot. I'm so sorry. I almost hurt you. To be honest, if I hurt one of my parrots, it hurts me. Reason why I love them. They're my little pets. Okay, how many more doors do I need? I've raised so many. I have so many parrots. Well, to be honest, before I expanded it to like and it was like a box. The whole floor was covered. So, should I kill some parrots? I'm not gonna doing that actually. I'm not gonna do that. That's a bad idea. Why did I do that? Or why did I say that? I just got a genius idea. No, it's not gonna be easy. Okay, for this, I'm going outside. So, I'm expanding. So, I'm going to build the exterior, or I just got another idea. I'm coming up with loads of ideas today. Okay, I'm building in the middle of this tree, so it cannot be here. So, I built the outer section. That means I could build what I'm building. So, gotta figure out how am I gonna get down there? That is a good question. You know what? Right here. So I'm gonna put stairs over it so none of my parrots escape. I'm gonna put that like right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start blocking it up. Just kidding, I'm turning it today. So, I have no idea what to talk about, and I don't want to be quiet the entire time. Because if I be quiet, sometimes my audience will probably think I'm annoying, or too quiet, or, I don't know, dead? Question mark, question mark? But guys, please, it would do me a big favor if you like to subscribe, turn notifications on. Because I really want to, I really want to get the signal that I'm keeping you guys entertained and you guys like my videos. If I know people usually do stuff for content or to be famous, I don't do that. I do this because I want to have fun and I want to make people smile and also have fun. Because maybe once, maybe if I see that I have a lot of subscribers on my channel, then I'll get the signal that you guys enjoy my videos. But if you don't, then I'm getting the signal that you guys hate my videos, and I do not like that signal. Because I like to give people happiness. And also, if you guys hear me act up sometimes, that's nothing. Okay, just don't worry about me. Totally nothing. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I should be showing it more. Hello there. Why are you guys looking at me? I'm a parrot. Chirp. So, I'm going to try to figure out what to do, what I should do for that special thing I told you guys that I'm going to do for y'all. But I need to know when, I should do it or when I can do it, because I don't know for sure. I'm upset now because I have to break this. I'm kidding. I'm actually not going to do that. Okay, how am I going to do this? How? I'm just going to keep saying how. I can hear you, but I won't. He looks for trouble while others don't. There's a reason why I go about my days. Ignore your whispers, which I wish to go away. Oh. Sorry, I had to sing. For some reason I had the courage to. Now I kind of feel embarrassed. Because I haven't sang in front of a crowd before my entire lifetime. So that kind of gave me a little nervous. to go away. Oh, 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 oh. Nobody knew me can show me. Oh, 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 oh. Where are you going? Don't leave me alone. How can I follow you into the unknown? Yeah, my voice is getting a little cranky now. Thanks a lot for me. Why did I have to make it like a one thing passageway? I do not know. What if I made it a little chunkier? I know that sounded kind of weird. Okay, so while I work on my bass, please like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and if you join my content, please comment down below. Okay, I don't actually say that. I just wanna. I don't know. So I forgot what I was gonna say. I need to stop doing that thing. I'm getting annoying. I do not like that. So, again, I'm just quiet. I'm a quiet boy. If you ask, am I sick? Do I have a cold? No, I just have coughies. What I mean by coughies is I have the coughs. I cough a lot. Wee. The heck? Wee. Okay, now I have more space. Thank God. Thanks, God. That just sounds stupid. Okay. This is going to be just a trap door because I don't want to flipping stairs in front of my flipping parrot place. Even though it would be a good idea to add stairs. Oh. Cody just invited me to a call. How great. I'm going to have to accept that in a bit, girl. I am recording a video. That is none of your business. Sorry. Need to keep my cool. Now, would you rap? I'm kidding. Now, I'm going to dance. I'm kidding. Now, I'm going to get my mangrove door. Hopefully this works, and hopefully it's enough for my beautiful parrots. And by the looks of how many parrots I have, I'm guessing it's enough. Just 40 minutes long. I'm probably gonna cut the video. Bye guys. Please like, subscribe, turn notifications on. I'm gonna play with Cody and probably make an episode 2 soon. So yeah. Bye.